Elgin pocket watch, 53mm case, gold filled, from 1898. The case does show wear. It is a swing out case. So the bezel unscrews. And then you pull the stem and you just pull right on that. And comes right, swings right out. It's an Elgin case. An Elgin movement, 15 jewel movement, that's been serviced, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. Just kind of rotate the stem and then the movement will pop right back in. There we go. And then push the stem back in all the way till it engages, and it's a stem wind, stem set. And then you just screw on the bezel.